Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm going to be changing the antenna on my Matrix. So I was going back and forth on whether or not to even make this a video just because of how easy it is, but I'll put it out there, see what happens. And the reason I'm doing this is because on this one, over time, the plastic just dried out and got brittle and started chipping off. Also, I did look at other Toyotas that have this kind of antenna, but most of them were having the same problem. So that's when I found the Kia and I'm like, all right, I'll go with this. An antenna is an antenna. And plus, I really don't listen to the radio that much. And by that, I mean almost never. So, removing this antenna, it just screws off like this. Old one comes off. New one goes on, and you're done. And this is what it looks like now. Definitely an improvement over what was there. And again, I don't really listen to the radio. I don't listen to secular music. But it is still a nice car. I remember it when it was new. It still runs good, and I just want it to look like I care. This was about 11 bucks, so no big deal. And this should work on most 2000s Toyotas. Matrix, Corolla, Prius, Tacoma, the vehicles from that time that I know off the top of my head have that antenna design. But again, so easy, I'm going back to my coffee now. You guys have a blessed day. Even Roxy approves, isn't that right? Yep, that's what we're doing next. Also, I invite you to come check out Jesus Bible Study. I take passages from the Bible and make them relevant to today's world. Link to this week's video will be in the description. If you like today's video, be sure to like and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.